How to join expired Telegram link. Open Telegram application and make sure to sign into your account. Then open any chat or group chat that you have sent or received the link on Telegram and it has been expired and you want to join that. Once you open the link but you are not being able to join that link due to expiration of the Telegram link. So in order to join, you have to tap on the top of the screens the group's name. Then after that, tap on the edit icon at the top right corner of the screen. On the section, you have to scroll down and tap on invite links option. Here tap on create a link button and on this limit by time period you just have to customize it and make to no limit. Then after that you just have to limit by numbers of users to 10. Once you have done that, you can also enter the link name which is optional. Let's type in here a new link and then tap on create link button at the bottom of the screen. Then after that you can easily join that expired Telegram link. So I hope this video was helpful. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.